Yo, yeah. No class but all sass, grew fast with no dash. Yeah, tall glass but I fall back. I want all that, I want all that. Heart attack, get my heart back. Dark eyes and a dark past, white lies and a heavy cast. Pain inside like tar is black. Silent tragedies at night when she's sleeping. Can't control her little mind in the evening. So she passes all her time by just pleasing others who aren't worth her time till she's dreaming. I want you to want me. People's dilate as you move in closely. Whisper to me softly, tell me everything is gonna be fine. Save me, and you don't even know me. Hidden deep inside is a monster, baby. So tell me that you want me. I only feel alive when my heart beats racing. Bloodshot can't escape these thoughts, it's mind raping. My fate is your taste, obsessed with foreplay. Undress my poor brain, I just want more pain. Give me drugs, ignore pain. The skin is soft, but she's rough on the inside. I can't stop, and she's got nowhere to hide. I'm getting lost in my thoughts and in her mind. Sometimes I think that I'm a fraud, stealing her time. I want you to want me. People dilate as you move in closely. Whisper to me softly, tell me everything is gonna be fine. Save me, you don't even know me. Hidden deep inside is a monster, baby. So tell me that you want me. I only feel alive when my heart beats racing.
I'm alright, yeah. Living in the shadows in the night, yeah. Always searching, looking for the light, yeah. Anything to understand this life, yeah. Need someone who could hold me down, yeah, yeah. Feel buried in the ground, yeah, yeah. If I could just be found, yeah, yeah. I don't know why I'm down, yeah, yeah. And I've been feeling spiteful. Everything has got me in denial. Put me on trial. Waves of emotion like a tidal. I see you and I feel it now, yeah, yeah. I feel my heart, it pounds, yeah, yeah. Vibrations from the sounds, yeah, yeah. I wanna feel you now, yeah, yeah. Oh, I know all the dark places where my mind goes. Thoughts spin around like a vinyl, and you got me feeling something primal. It's vital, I need something new, a revival. I can feel it spreading like it's viral. It's something primal. I know all the dark places where my mind goes. And now I know how you make me feel it's something primal. I know all the dark places where my mind goes. And now I know how you make me feel it's something primal. Yeah, yeah, let's go. Shaking bodies in the back, I can see you move, I just want a piece of that. Everything you do got you looking hella bad. Got something to prove with an attitude like that. With an attitude like that, we can feel the rhythm like it's tribal. I feel her body next to mine, oh. I'm looking for a sign, oh. Yeah, I feel something inside. Instinct that I can't hide. Bad thoughts are in my mind. It's like dark places where my mind goes. Thoughts spin around like a vinyl, and you got me feeling something primal. It's vital, I need something new, a revival. I can feel it spreading like it's viral. It's something primal. I know all the dark places where my mind goes, and now I know how you make me feel is something primal. I know all the dark places where my mind goes, and now I know how you make me feel is something primal.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon, and I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?